Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the contacts, because this is the first way to block a number. I mean, you can block a number you've got currently saved. So let's find the contact you'd like to block, tap on it, and pick this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you're ready, just tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the information that this number is blocked, so as it was said, you won't receive calls or messages from it. Of course, we can unblock it actually the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on, that was a misclick, sorry, and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So let me show you another way to block a number, and it will require entering the number manually. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on the settings, enter blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is the blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contact, so everything went fine. And as I said, right now we will be able to add a number manually, so you do not need to have it, you don't have to have it saved. Just tap on add a phone number, and as you can see here, we've got the place in which we can manually enter the number. So enter it, tap on block, and actually that's all. As you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist. Of course, you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. You can also unblock the number from the contact list from this level, so that's quite cool. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers, which is also quite cool. You can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to block a number in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.